Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I prepared my overnight oats. This is the quickest breakfast ever. All you need is your yogurt, unsweetened yogurt, chia seed, your honey, oats and milk. That's all. So in a bowl or in a plate, measure out your oats. I'll be using 2 cups of oats today. You can do half, you can do more than this. Just I'm preparing for my families because everybody's going to enjoy from this bowl. So pour into your container. That's 1 cup I added, so I'm adding the second cup. That's 2 cups right now. So for the milk, if you want your own very thick, please just do 2 cups of milk. I want my own very light. I don't like thick things. If it's too thick, I won't enjoy it. So I want it light. So I added up to 3 cups of milk. So feel free to add 2 if you love your own quaker oats very thick or thick. Just add at least 2 cups is okay. It will by tomorrow it will be very thick, but I want my light. That's why I added 3 cups of milk. So the unsweetened yogurt, I'll add 1 full cup. So you can use your own measurement cup. This is the cup I'm using. So after adding the yogurt, I'll be adding my chia seed. I love this chia seed so much because of the nutritional value. So check it out. It has a lot of nutrients packed in. So I added 4 tablespoons of it, and I add my honey. Honey to your taste. I'm not I don't love sweet things much, so I will add a little. So just add to your taste. So after mixing everything thoroughly, I'll cover and I'll pop into my fridge till the next day. So this is the next day. I'll be using my apple, banana, kiwi and granules to top for the toppings of these overnight oats. I washed and it's time to cut them. Please feel free to use any fruit you love. This is just the available in the house. That's what I'm using. I don't have strawberry. I would have loved to add strawberry also. So feel free to use anything. Here is our overnight oat. You can see how light is looking. It's looking very light. Yes, that's the way I want it. So if you want yours thick, like I said, just add only 2 cups of milk to it. So some people love enjoying their oats this way, while some people love it warm. So I'll be putting mine in the microwave for it to heat up a bit before I serve. Okay, out of the microwave, it's time to add the toppings, and that is that. So if you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. We cook, we bake, we decorate cakes, and also do pastries I know you will love. Feel free to join this family only by clicking on the subscribe button to be getting alerts of our newest video. Whenever we drop new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for tuning back today. I love you all. Look at that beauty. Our food is ready. I can't wait to have a taste. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new, comment, and feel free to share to your friends and family. Thanks a million for watching.